Hi folks, you're probably wondering who is that guy with no beard? Well, it's Ian. Just shaved it off, got called into work, and just came off my third night of 12-hour shifts at a lovely warm temperature of about -41 with the wind chill. And if you know anything about Celsius and Fahrenheit, -40 is where the two scales line up. And so -40, -40, whether it's Fahrenheit or Celsius, it's just darn cold. And anyway, I'm tired, I'm cold, and so I'm going to have a hot bath and go to bed. Unfortunately, that means there will not be a cooking video today. However, there will be a video on Friday, so be sure to come back on Friday to watch the story time video, and we'll have a shout out and story and groaner of the week, and say hello to my friend from the security company out at the plant that I was told this morning he's watching my videos. So I don't know your name, but hey there. I'll see you this evening or tomorrow morning. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I'll see you on Friday. Take care. God bless.